You've got a message to share. Maybe it's a product launch, a team announcement, or your brand story. Most people think creating a video for each one means starting from scratch, again and again. But what if one script could turn into 3 versions, each tailored for a different platform, audience, or style? Let us show you how. Once your script is ready, just pick a format. Landscape for formal, in-depth delivery, portrait for fast, social-first engagement. We can start with the landscape version, structured, professional, and made for clear communication. It's ideal for internal briefings, webinars, or a product launch event. You can fully customize the avatar's look, voice, and tone, perhaps something more polished or authoritative for a formal setting, and choose from a range of studio environments to match the message and setting. Let's take a look at the example.
Here's what's changing in this release. A redesigned dashboard, faster load times, and improved collaboration tools.
Now, switch to the portrait version, designed for mobile-first platforms like TikTok or Instagram. You can make your avatar more expressive, more casual, whatever fits a fast, social tone, and choose a studio that feels light and engaging. Let's see how it turns out.
Here's what's changing in this release: a redesigned dashboard, faster load times, and improved collaboration tools.
Next, take it global. With Rendora, the same script can be delivered in multiple languages, complete with native voice, subtitles, and accurate lip sync. You can select different avatars, outfits, and studio settings to match the local culture or audience expectations. Same message, perfectly adapted for every market.
Aquí están los cambios de esta versión, un panel rediseñado.
今回のリリースでの変更点は新しいダッシュボード。
التغيير في هذا الإصدار هو لوحة معلومات جديدة.
No rewriting, no re-recording. Just one script, delivered anywhere, in any language.